Welcome! So you're thinking about jumping into the GUenARK SIH 1.0 challenge. That is awesome. But, before you can get to the fun part of changing the world with your amazing idea, there's that one little thing, the registration. Don't worry, in this quick explainer, we're going to make that whole process super simple so you can focus on what really matters, building something incredible.
So here's the game plan. We're going to kick things off with a little analogy to get us in the right headspace. Then, we'll dive into the two different ways you can participate. First, the Hackathon and Ideathon path for teams, and second, the startup exhibition for ventures that are already up and running. We'll finish up with the deadlines you absolutely cannot miss and a couple of key rules to make sure your application is perfect.
Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's just reframe this for a second. Registering for this isn't like filling out some boring form. No way. It's more like you're securing a spot at an exclusive gala. You've got to be on the list, you've got to have your invite, and you've got to show you belong. If you keep that idea in your head, all the steps we're about to cover will make perfect sense.
All right, let's get into path number 1. This part is for all of you students who are putting together a team for the Hackathon or the Ideathon. Now, listen up, because the details here are really, really important, so let's make sure we get this right the first time.
We've broken the whole thing down into 5 super simple steps. First, you get your team together and make sure it follows the rules. Then, you get all your documents ready. After that, you'll have your team leader submit everything online. And check this out, here's the best part. You only pay the fee if and after you get selected. Pretty cool, right? Let's go through each one.
Let's be crystal clear on this one, because there is zero wiggle room. The magic number is 5. Not 4, not 6. Your team has to have exactly 5 members. And, just as important, all 5 of you have to be from the very same college or school. Sorry, no mix and match teams for this event. And here's the next non-negotiable number you need to remember. 1. Every single team, no exceptions, has to include at least 1 female member. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a mandatory rule. So when you're building out that dream team of 5, make sure this is a top priority.
Okay, let's talk paperwork. Before you even think about hitting that submit button, you need to have these 3 documents ready to upload. You need a formal nomination letter from your institution's head, a parental no objection certificate, that's an NOC, and of course, your pitch deck. Oh, and for the pitch deck, make sure it's a PDF and it's 10 slides max.
This is a really simple instruction, but it's so important. To avoid any chaos or duplicate applications, you need to pick one person to be the team leader. That person, and only that person, is in charge of submitting the idea and uploading all the documents. Got it? One person.
Okay, let's shift gears. Maybe you're not forming a team from scratch. Maybe you've already got a startup that you want to show off. If that's you, then this second path is where you need to be. The rules are a little different here, so pay close attention.
So, who gets to exhibit their startup? Well, you're eligible if your venture was founded by a current student or alumni of Gauhati University. It's also open to startups founded by alumni from any other recognized university. But here's the key difference from the Ideathon. You need to have more than just a great idea. You need a real product, a working prototype, a service that's running, or a very clearly defined business model.
Let's talk about the fees, because when you pay is totally different for each path. For the Hackathon and Ideathon teams, you only pay the 500 rupee fee after you find out you've been selected. But for startups, that 1500 rupee fee is due right when you register. The great news is, both fees are refundable after you participate, so that's awesome.
Okay, everybody, this might be the most important part of the whole thing, the deadlines. You can have the best idea in the world, but if you're late, it won't matter. These dates are set in stone, so seriously, pull out your phone, open your calendar app, and let's get these locked in.
Let's walk through the timeline. First up, January 18th. That's the hard deadline to get your idea submitted. Then you have a little bit of breathing room until January 23rd to get that official nomination letter uploaded. And then the big day. The shortlist gets announced on or before January 25th.
We are in the home stretch now. This last section is all about the fine print, those little rules that apply to everyone. These are the details that are easy to miss but can get you disqualified, so let's make sure we've got them covered. This is a big one. You have to pick a side. Your team can compete in the Hackathon or the Ideathon. You absolutely cannot register for both. So take a look at your idea, figure out where it fits best, and commit to that track.
And finally, a really important logistical point. This entire event is happening in person, on site. Every competition, every presentation, it's all happening at Gauhati University. There's no remote option, no online participation. You and your team have to be there in the flesh.
And that's it. That's everything you need to know. We've walked through the steps, the deadlines, and the big rules for the GUenARK SIH 1.0 registration. The playbook is right here in front of you. The path is totally clear. So now there's really only one question left to ask. Your invitation is waiting. Is your idea ready?